Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you the 2 ways to sign out of YouTube on Android. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my YouTube account. Now on the bottom right, you'll find this U. Tap on it. Now go to this gear icon on the top right, and over here you can see here is no option to sign out. Now for that, I'll go with the first method. First of all, tap on this U. Now go to this gear icon on the top right and click on this account. And over here, click on this manage accounts and choose Google and choose the account which you want to remove. Tap on it. After that, tap on this more and you can see here is remove account. Just tap on it and you can see we have successfully signed out of YouTube from that account. Now if this method doesn't work, let's head on to the second method. For that, just tap for a while on this YouTube and over here go to this app info. Now you can find over here this storage. Tap on it. You can see total, app size, user data and cache. Now you can see here is total of 1.55 GB used. On the bottom side you can find this clear data and tap on this clear all data and tap on OK. You can see we are completely signed out of our account. And now you can log in YouTube with your desired account. So in this way we can sign out of YouTube on Android. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.